Whoa, back to the left and turn.
Where are you going? Here, you gotta, yeah, you gotta push that up. Yep. Okay, now it's okay. Push it up. Now go. Turn the wheel, man. There you go. There you go. Yeah, get over the bumps. That's why you're in a 4x4, so you can go over the bumps. Go off-roading. Oh, dude, you got stuck. There you go.